This is the lace full support. It comes in sizes 32 through 50. It fits sizes 26 through 56, cups B through P or higher. A cups can work in this cami with petals. This is the back of the lace full support. As you can see, there's some real pretty lace detailing on this one. It also has a really long strap adjustment all the way from the front to the back, so these can get quite long. They're also convertible, which means if you've got a racer back style, you can actually crisscross those straps. That's really, really nice. It's one of our longer camis as well, so it does great on long torsos. This is an inside view of the lace full support. As you can see, it's got some really soft seams here that go under the bust line. The lace does not touch your skin on the inside. It's got that nice scoopy V neckline with the molded cups, so you don't get the uniboob, of course. And then if you can see this panel right here that goes across the front, that's what keeps this whole area and your tummy and muffin top nice and smooth. And then this is the back of the lace full support on the inside. You can see the angel wing paneling on the back, which really smooths that back. So if you have a more fitted top, it looks fantastic. Again, nice soft seams here and no lace touching your skin. There's a seam that goes down the center of the back. And then of course that wonderful silicone surgical grade gripper on the bottom to keep it in place.